Welcome back to Kelpy News. Welcome back. I'm Savannah Racer and I'm here with Jared Moser.
Here's your 5-day weather forecast of Axtell, Kansas.
Hi, Samantha here to give you your 5-day report. On Monday, we have a high of 75 and a low of 50. The death chance is 82%. It's also going to be very windy due to the tornado. Tuesday is going to have a high of 30 and a low of 26. The death chance is 5%. It will also be getting cooler. On Wednesday, the high is 25 and the low is 17. The death chance is 0%. It's also going to be cold. On Thursday, the high will be 18, the low will be 10. The death chance is 50%. We will also be getting some wind and the hail the size of a baseball. And on Friday, with a high of 10 and a low of -5, we're going to have a blizzard with wind speeds up to 50 miles per hour. The death chance is 94%. Going back to Monday, we have an F5 tornado brewing with wind speeds up to 300 miles per hour. Now we're going to hand it over to Abby Ryan at the scene.
Hello. Thank you, Samantha. It is quite windy out here. There are leaves blowing everywhere. If you didn't know what a tornado is, it's a violent, whirling column of air that comes in contact with the ground. Tornado Bob is a very strong storm. I don't get paid enough for this!
Thank you, Abby. Now we have Gilbert, who is going to describe what fronts are.
I heard he has a good lesson planned.
So as you can see, we have a cold front moving down from the northwest. This is what is causing our tornado. Now, how does the cold front form, you may ask? Well, a cold front forms when a colder air mass moves through a warmer air mass. The colder air mass, which is denser than the warm air, pushes underneath the warm air mass. And then the warm air mass rises and cools. And the water vapor in the air condenses and clouds form. Now you may be thinking, are there any other types of fronts? Yes, there is. There is a less dense warm air moves through toward cold air that is denser. The warm air glides over the cold air, and when the weather vapor condenses, it forms a wide blanket of clouds. There is also a stationary front, which forms when front stalls for a couple of days. Warm air on one side and cold air on the other. Now the final front is occluded. This forms when the cold front moves faster than warm fronts. That is when the cold front catches up to the warm front. This is how it forms. I hope I clarified some of your questions.
Thank you, Gilbert. Now our latest news on COVID-19.